The voters in the poll-bound state of Tripura seem to have paid heed to the call of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi for strengthening the democracy. A large number of people, including both men and women, had made a beeline outside the polling stations. The winter chill did not seem to deter them from exercising their right to vote as they waited patiently for their number to come. In addition, the Election Commission left no stone unturned to ensure that the polls are conducted in a free and a fair manner, as adequate security forces were deployed at the polling stations. The polling for the Tripura Assembly Elections began at 7 a.m. morning and will continue till 4 p.m. in the evening. Over 28.14 lakh electorates, of which 14,15,233 are male voters, 13,99,289 women voters, and 62 of third gender are eligible to cast their vote. The voting is underway for 3,337 polling stations. The state witnessed a 32.11% voter turnout till 11 a.m. for 60 assembly seats, as people were seen standing in queues waiting to cast their votes amid security arrangements which have been ensured ahead of the polls. Notably, Chief Minister Manik Saha was also seen casting his vote. An 85-year-old lady was seen being assisted by Central Armed Forces who went to cast her vote at the polling station. The ongoing assembly elections saw the long-time rivals Congress and CPM come together in alliance to contest in a bid to defeat BJP, who has been in power in the state. Also, the BJP is contesting on 55 seats and its ally IPFT on 6 seats. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed to people in Tripura to vote in record numbers and strengthen the festival of democracy. He urged the youth of northeastern state to exercise their franchise in the assembly elections. Union Home Minister Amit Shah also asked citizens to cast their votes to ensure a development-oriented government which focuses on peace and security of the people. BJP President JP Nadda also urged the voters of Tripura to come out in large numbers and cast their vote. In the last few days, BJP stalwarts did a whirlwind campaign so as to get back to power for the second time, thereby exposing the previous communist rule, which was marred by violence and corruption.